This is educational, not trading or investment advice, okay? This is entertainment, mainly educational. Future stocks, bond trading of any kind involves substantial risk. You may lose everything you have. Before trading or investments, do your own due diligence. This is not a recommendation to go out and trade with your money, okay? If you do so, you're on your own. If you're watching or listening to this video, you are agreeing to these terms. Okay, let's get to it. Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for an ROI payout. Just my trade journal market analysis. Non-farm payroll Friday, February 2nd, 2024, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard. Daily affirmation, I see it and understand. Rigid discipline and rules, flexible in outcome expectations, independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, responsible business manager. So look at this candle here for Friday. This was post-earnings. After the close, we had Amazon, we had Apple, we had Facebook, and all had an earnings beat, and therefore we're at new all-time highs. So that's on the NASDAQ on the left, S&P 500 on the middle, and on the far right, the dollar and inverse relationship is down. So I'll take an eye on this. Watch non-farm payroll at 8:30. Watch how we open for the first 30 minutes to 45 minutes, and then we'll go from there. But it looks to me like we're going to pin all-time highs for the week. Doesn't look there's any reason to fade this on a Friday and just let time be the marker for next week and go from there. But I will watch the levels. I want to focus on the ES now, on smaller time frames, and let's look at the levels because we definitely have some levels that are imbalances that I want to take a look at. So let's go to the next chart. One chart I want to start out with is looking at this Renko chart. This is what happened after the close, 4963.75, right? Look at how the top Keltner bar was exceeded, unbelievably high. This is not a usual occurrence. Middle Keltner on the red, lower Keltner on the blue here, right at the new week open gap at 4912.75 by 48.08 and change. But the point is this upper Keltner here really amplified after the earnings. Next chart. Okay, today I'm sticking with the higher time frame because I want to look at the largest imbalances below the new all-time high here at 4963.75 so far. We could easily break that here Friday, but that's currently where we're at after that big earnings smash through on those big mega equities on Thursday after the close. New York midnight comes in here at 49.54 and change. London open just below it here at 53.25, 49.53.25, and here's the 4-hour fair value gap that I'm talking about. This big imbalance gap with this huge BC buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, consequent encroachment, important level 4934.75. If we were to tag that at any point, I'd be a little bit surprised, but not so much. It's the repricing of the whole thing, which is 4919.50, which might be a bridge too far for today. And you see the January 31st on Wednesday down here at 49.26, and then again our marker here is how the week started. New week open gap 4912.75, 4908.75. So again, it's all about how we close this Friday. You can see prior price levels, prior highs. This was the T+2 close up here at 49.56 and change, and then we've had a break buy side liquidity level. So it's external liquidity, stops were hit, and you see this candle right here is coming back for this level, and we may easily go above this, and who knows, 5,000 might be a level that we ultimately are destined before we get a meaningful retracement. But for now, Friday and next week, I'll be looking for 49.35, 49.34.75 as a possible target based on this long green candle. I go back on the 4-hour chart, we'd probably say that's one of the largest up candles of 2024 on the 4-hour at least. I'm not talking daily, weekly, just the 4 hours. So that's a meaningful breakaway. And we've had them always happen on Fridays too, a lot of the time, Thursdays and Fridays. I want to sit on hands. Thanks again for watching. Shout out to the OG subscribers. Welcome all 2024 new subscribers. Last level here I want to just point out is 49.3875 is the 9 EMA currently. All right, there you have it. Aloha and take care. Bye.